Hi guys, today I'm gonna be making cod with chicken wafer and spinach. So okay guys, as you can see, I've added some ghee and I'm now leaving, you can see these white bits, it's garlic and my cod. So I'm just gonna let it fry for a bit. Okay guys, so while the cod is cooking, um, what I'm aiming for with the cod is to cook it until the fish is no longer translucent. So while this is cooking, I'm gonna make the chicken wafer with spinach. So basically I've heated up olive oil and I'm just gonna input my spinach in and my chicken wafer, as you can see here. It's too hot. So I'm just adding it and then leave it here for a while until everything is ready to go. Okay guys, so the fish is pretty much done. You can see it's no longer translucent. So on each side I'm just going to add salt and pepper and then take it off the stove. And this is the end product. The chicken wafer with spinach and cod. Voila.